Welcome to the brain of Starcharge. This is a national energy intelligent operation and maintenance management platform. This platform has won many awards. It is listed in Made in China 2025 program as demonstration project by National Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. It also was approved as major application demonstrative project for mutually supported energy networks of National Administration of Energy and was granted 13th Major 5 project of the Ministry of Science and Technology. Its amazing performance is a joint effort of 5 major systems: energy transmission, energy management, energy trading, intelligent design making and warning system. It has been recognized as a global leading platform of mutually supported energy networks by the international customers. Energy transmission. The first part is an energy application diagram. Starcharge uses bidirectional charging technology to achieve energy transmission with platform. Thus, users can not only get charged from the charging piles, but also sell electricity through them. The electricity stored in these electric vehicles have the capacity to meet short-term family electricity demand on a small scale in terms of range and time. From a bigger perspective, it can also be the emergency backup power supply for the urban grid if there are enough electric vehicles. Based on this fundamental applications, we developed DEGA system independently. The Three Gorges generates 100 billion kilowatt hours of power annually. By 2025, the consumption of energy for all the EV in China will reach 300 billion kilowatt hours annually, which equals to 3 times of the Three Gorges annual output. By using bidirectional transmission platform of Starcharge, we not only can decrease the cost of nationwide power distribution, but also can support peak power usage by using the power stored during the off-peak time. Thus, it reduces the dead loss on off-peak power supply chain, so that it will be possible to assist emergency output to state grid. In other words, it is a cost-free Three Gorges project. The second part is the distribution data of the charging stations owned by Starcharge, categorized by location types, and the composition data of AC/DC equipment registered on the platform, as well as the proportion data of all charging equipment differentiated by capacity. By analyzing these data, we will have more accurate guidance for investors. For instance, under the guidance of our super brain, the ratio of ROI, return on investment, of Starcharge has doubled compared with last year. The third part is the data of private piles sharing status, we call Ren Station. It is the original created and the first to be operated business model by Starcharge. It remains the biggest volume in China and mainly focuses on sharing scenarios of leasing out the charging equipment during their vacant time for NEV owners who privately own charging equipment. This is what we called sharing economic model. Through this model, the pile owners can make some earnings during free time. EV owners who registered in Starcharge's app will have more options about charging locations. Usually, the parking space is manageable and the price is very competitive. That is why it becomes more and more popular. And we can see the proportion of sharing charging usage showed on this chat has its significance. The next part is the data of all the equipment registered on Starcharge platform. It shows the geographical distribution of all the charging stations nationwide. On the left side, there are the top 15 cities in China, where Starcharge has the public charging stations and their corresponding quantities. Down here is the overall data of Starcharge's charging equipment, including number of cities covered, number of charging stations, etc. Over here is the data of real-time power, invertible power, the real-time power usage synchronous diagram, power charge today, accumulative charging times today, and data of equipment in using. These data has helped greatly in improving operating efficiency. Energy management. The energy management system demonstrates the efforts and advantages of Starcharge in energy control and energy loss warning. The first part is a conceptual diagram of intelligent energy distribution and pilot stations. Under the normal circumstances, 1000 kilovolt amp transformer can match a 1000 kilowatt charging terminal, but the capacity utilization of charging equipment in many real estate projects and along the highways is very low. If the electricity distribution ratio complies with normal standards, it will cause about half of the distributed electricity being wasted. Hence, Starcharge invented the Energy Intelligent Distribution System. In this system, there are multiple algorithmic strategies such as appointment priority, fast charge express line, markup priority, and other modes, as well as full limit startup algorithm. For example, Chengdu Dongpo Sports Park Station. The rate power of equipment is 10,880 kilowatts, but the actual power distribution is only 2,160 kilowatts. In normal cases, such a low power supply ratio can certainly not support the equipment operation of the charging station. But we have adopted the full limit start strategy. This way does not only avoid power distribution waste, but also meets the actual charging requirements of the station. The second part is the energy loss early warning control. The standby energy loss of charging equipment is very high. The energy loss of a 7 kilowatt AC pile is 200 kilowatt hours per year. The standby energy loss of a 60 kilowatt DC pile is 600 kilowatt hours a year. Even if the equipment is not used at all, the charging operators will bear heavy burden of energy loss. Starcharge optimizes at the device's side to reduce energy loss. At the same time, the platform sets up an energy loss alert. If the energy loss exceeds the warning line, Starcharge Charging Operation and Maintenance Center will be reported to and have starts manual intervention detection. Thus, it could reduce the energy loss of the equipment. Energy trading. The system displays a 3-network integration platform. Starcharge builds an internet platform for intelligent industrial operation. By building intelligent terminals across the country, on the basis of industrial interconnection, 2 clouds have emerged. One is called the Energy Internet. The other one is called the Industrial Internet. Industrial interconnection achieves a significant reduction in operation and maintenance costs by coordinating data such as R&D, manufacturing, supply chain, delivery, operation and maintenance, etc. There are more than 3,000 fast-charging devices in the city of Taiyuan. Normally, it requires 30 operation and maintenance engineers to keep them fully operational, but we accomplish this task with only 3 people. The efficiency of manpower on this task is 9 times the industry standard. From the perspective of energy interconnection, Starcharge is the only company in China with the platform which is capable of integrating solar energy, stored energy, distributed energy from state grid, and the buyback energy from EVs to redistribution. Starcharge is also the only charging company that has been granted the license to sell electricity. Through multi-energy complement from solar energy, state grid, and stored energy, Starcharge achieves a structural cost reduction, enabling users to be able to use lower-cost basic power. From the perspective of industry interconnection, Starcharge is the first to use app interface, as well as the WeChat applet to charge EVs by WeChat orders. Our next step is to develop the plug-and-charge technology so that automatic identification of vehicles' chassis number and post-charging payment will be done without downloading app. Intelligent decision-making. Intelligent decision-making process is a result of systematic analysis of big data. By statistically analyzing charging behavior, analyzing operation status of charging piles, analyzing data of users registered on platform, and analyzing amount of power charged, it provides a decision-making basis for more accurate investment and more precision marketing. Security warning. The security warning system mainly displays platform systematic advantages, information security, charging security, data security, and system superiority. The first part is information security. It shows the server status of usage and monitoring data, real-time detection of the operating status of the CPU and hard disk, ensuring the information security from the hardware basis. The second and third parts are charging security, data security, and order management. Equipment anomalies can be fed back to the monitoring system in real time. The platform assesses the level of the warning situation, then dispatches the maintenance personnel to solve the problems according to the seriousness of the situation. In this way, through the smart device plus the platform system, it improves the efficiency of manpower and intelligent management. At the same time, the platform conducts real-time order monitoring and can read the charging process data of each order, thereby achieving precise management of orders. The fourth part is intelligent monitoring. At some very popular charging stations, we install video surveillance system. By monitoring the license plates at the entrance, number of people accommodated, and heat accumulation at the site, etc., the platform will notify the personnel to intervene when the abnormality was directly reported to the platform. The security structure design is by far the most advanced in the country. It is providing a solid guarantee for Starcharge's nationwide operation. And on that note, it was the overall introduction of the Energy Intelligent Operation and Maintenance Management Platform. Thanks for your time. Good horses need good saddles. Just like good products and platforms need the support of after-sales service. Your next stop will be the National Customer Service Center on the second floor.